Some websites can assist you in earning thousands of dollars in a completely passive manner. You will work for an hour and then enjoy the rest of your life, spending time with friends, going on a family outing, watching movies, or relaxing at the beach while making money. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. One of the sites that I will introduce to you is Pinterest.com. Pinterest is a website wherein people share various photos. They also include gifts and videos. All you need to do on this website is create an account. Move on your mouse in the upper right corner and click sign up. And on this page, you will be creating your email and password and also encode your age. But I will recommend that you sign up by using your Facebook or Google. After you sign up for your account, you will be redirected to this page before proceeding to the strategy. I will show you first the good things in here. The first good thing here is this website will work around the world. As you can see, you can choose what country you live in. The second thing is how well known Pinterest is. As you can see here, this website is visited by billions of people every month worldwide. That is insane. The popularity of the site will be key to have hundreds of dollars in a passive manner. So much for that matter, after you created your account on Pinterest, just leave it there. And let's proceed to the next website that we will be using to earn dollars online. The site that we will be using is Offplus.com. Maybe some of you have already heard about this site, but for those who didn't know about this site is an affiliate marketplace. The awesome thing here compared to other affiliate websites is, this website has CPA and CPL. CPA instance for cost per action and CPA is instance for cost per lead. This means that you can earn money by getting people to sign up on some websites or install some apps. And, of course, it's free for them to sign up. You don't need any particular skills or even talent to be an affiliate in this case. The only way to earn is to convince them to refer people to sign up or install applications. This platform is basically finding some offer to promote. And as I said, you want to look for CPA and CPL offers in particular. The types of offers I really like are giveaways. For example, gift card giveaways. Just simply maneuver your mouse on the upper portion of the page and click the search bar and encode a gift card. And simply pick from any of these offers. Here is one I'll be using as an example. This is a $750 PayPal gift card giveaway and will pay me $3 per sign-up, which is actually quite a bit for offers. And if you do the math, then that means I need only 100 sign-ups to earn $300, which is a very decent amount of money. In any case, once you find some offer you prefer, like a gift card giveaway or not, you will need to grab the affiliated link, which you will do by clicking on the Join Network button right here. And by doing that, it will redirect you to the next page, the affiliate network running the offer where you will have to sign up for free. And once you do, you will be able to grab the link for the offer. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. And if you got the link, here comes the third and final platform we will be using before getting back to Pinterest. The platform in question is no other than Canva.com. I know that some of you already know the platform or maybe use it, but you didn't know that this platform can be used to earn money online. But for those who didn't know, this is a designer's website, and here, using the thousands of templates this site offers, you can create anything from an Instagram post to a website presentation, invitation, planners, posters, and many more. And the good thing here is, it's 100% free. You won't be investing anything into this. You'll first have to create your account by clicking on the sign up button here, and then enter all the details needed. This is how everything will look, and let me quickly explain why we are using Canva here. As I said, Pinterest is an image sharing platform. We will be using Canva to create a photo then. We will then upload it on Pinterest and millions of people may see it because, as I've shown you, statistics earlier there are billions of people who visited Pinterest in a month. It's a hugely popular site. On Canva.com, once you sign up and type in social media in the search bar, and boom, you will now see all these templates that you can use. And now, you will pick one of them. And of course, we will choose something we like. Just click on it, and now it will take you to the editor, wherein you will customize the template that we have chosen. And what you'll want to do is write something like a $750 gift card giveaway. Just write something along those lines. You can also invest a bit of time in designing this poster to be more attractive and as good as possible. After all, once you're satisfied with your design and you're finished with it, all you have to do there is simply click on the download button in the upper right corner so you can download it to your computer. And from canva.com, we will be going back to the first money-making website, which is pinterest.com. And now, you will upload the photo here. To do so, simply scroll a bit down and click on the plus icon, which is labeled Create a Pin. And after you click that, it will turn the page into this. By clicking on this arrow icon, you will be able to find and upload that photo that we created in Canva. And now, you will put the title on this. In this case, the title that I will put is a free $750 PayPal gift card giveaway. If you have a $500 Amazon gift card, for example, then you'll obviously type that. And below that, you can add a brief description, and it can be, for example, sign up for free for the first 100 people only. And finally, just below that, which is labeled destination link, you will add the affiliate link you got over from Offplus. And once you do that, you will just click on the publish button right up here. And this is where the sheer popularity of Pinterest I mentioned a while back comes into the fact that it gets visited by billions of people a month. It's basically guaranteed that you can expect thousands of views on your pin here. And since it's a gift card giveaway, people don't need to buy anything. Absolutely, they will sign up for this. Most people who see your pin will click on your destination link and want to check out the giveaway. And in this way, you will be able to literally make hundreds upon hundreds of dollars in completely passive income. To sum up what you're doing here, you find a giveaway gift card from Offplus.com. Then, create a poster using Canva and do the advertisement on Pinterest. You will earn if someone signs into your link. That is how it works. And always keep in mind that we use one of the most famous websites in the advertisement. Believe it or not, you will earn hundreds of dollars. Before I forget, all you need to do is after you follow these steps in this tutorial is to relax, watch movies, have time with yourself, or even hang out with your friends, making hundreds of dollars online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.